How to post photos and status updates on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be teaching you on how to post photos and status updates on Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application. Now for status update, tap on What's on your mind at the top. Now type what's on your mind and click post and your status will be updated on Facebook Lite. Now to update photos, all you need to do is click on photos or videos option. Now select a photo from your gallery, add a caption to your post, and now tap post. So this is how we post photos and status updates on Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.